In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best working Birkenstock coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Birkenstock coupon code. Right here, go to this website, which is called WordPay, and as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So for example, let's say you want to get this one with up to 15% discount uh, with uh, with the military discount. So all you need to do is just select this button where it says show code, and this is the promo code right here. You can simply copy this one, and you can use this promo code in order to get a 15% discount. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called Who What Where, and as you can see right here, we also have a list with some promo codes and deals that we can use to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, you want to get this one with up to 45% discount of men's footwear. So all you need to do is just select this button where it says get discount. And for this one, there is no code required. So all you need to do is just tap right here on this button where it says go to Birkenstock site. And after that, you will be redirected to their website where the discount will be applied automatically. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.